Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll introduce the Randome Bone Animation add-on, a fantastic tool that allows you to create random animations for selected bones in pose mode. Install the Randome Bone Animation add-on. This add-on works in pose mode and lets you create random animations for selected bones. Simply adjust the parameters and click Randomize Bones. If you like this add-on, you can download it for free on Gumroad or BlenderMarket. Links are in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to not miss the next videos.